this is an early one. Good morning, Heather.
Yeah, it's very early for a Sunday, isn't it?
It's very early for a Sunday. Well, we're down here, Alton Towers, you know us. We're here to try out the Platinum ERT extra hour in the morning.
Throughout the 6 weeks holidays?
Yeah, so it's been announced just recently that Alton Towers is letting Platinum Pass holders in an hour early with the hotel guests.
Yay!
So you do have the pre-book. We've pre-booked. We're here. It's about 5 to 9.
Yep, and we can go on Nemesis, Toxicator and Runaway Mine Train.
Yeah, so we'll see how many we can get done. Is it worth it? We'll find out. Let's go. Time check, Gav.
8:54.
8:54. Right, so apparently we can use the air gate, the hotel entrance gate.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool. And I think Platinum Pass members can use it up until 10 o'clock as well.
I think so, yeah.
Something about that announcement. So double check that on the Alton Towers website, guys. But we'll find out for you. Pure facts on this one. Here we go. Oh, first theory. Yes, you can use the air gate.
You
and they were
can.
very nice as well.
Very nice. Bag check now.
Bag check. And we're in now. Look at that.
I know, that's really cool,
It's like Disney rope drop or something,
It
isn't it?
is, isn't it? 8:56, bang on
8:56.
time.
Oh, wow, we're in. We've got a full hour. So as we said, there's 3 rides you can do.
Yeah, Toxicator, Nemesis, and also Runaway Mine Train.
I think you can also go to see BB's Land as well.
Yeah, I think so, but we won't be going there.
We won't be going there. But no, this is good. It's a bit of a buzz here, isn't it? You ready for it?
Go on, then.
Oh, we're going in now. It's rope drop time. Nobody run, everyone walk casually, please. Running is not cool. And we're not very good at it.
No, we're not.
So, everyone, oh, look at him, Ev.
Yeah.
It's like Nemesis opening day all over again, isn't it? Where's Bianca and John? They'll be up here, won't they? We'll go say hi to them on the way. Right, which ride are we going to first, Ev?
Nemesis.
Nemesis, right, we go for it. Made it, Ev. I'm out of breath now.
Me too.
So it's a bit like Nemesis opening day, isn't it?
Yeah, a little
We're just
bit.
seeing like the buzz in the park at the
Yeah.
moment. It's very good, isn't it? Well, hopefully we're ready. We have seen it go around a few times. The beast in the morning. Moving up.
Yeah, we're moving.
Getting there, aren't we? Loud and Forbidden Valley this morning, isn't it? It is.
Certainly waking you up if you're not quite awake yet.
It's going to wake us up once we go on that anyway, isn't it? Still people just coming into the queue line now. A lot of people wanting to ride Nemesis this morning.
Why wouldn't you?
Well, it's best ride in park, isn't it?
The ones that are open currently, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Merge A phone, please. Merge A phone.
Merge your iPhone now. Merge your iPhone. Bit of a delayed start for Nemesis this morning.
Yeah, it's 9:10 already, Towers.
She's still asleep, isn't she, bless her? She needs a Red Bull. We've got one in the bag.
Oh,
we've got a Red Bull for you, Nem. Quick, let us down. Skaters going around, Dev. Having a whale of a time over there.
Oh God, it's too early.
It's a bit early on a Sunday morning for that one for us, isn't it?
Thank you.
But if you want to be a bit of a thrill-seeking adventure morning,
Yeah.
by all means, run Toxicator. It's the first ride you could actually get to. So, fair play to him. I think we'll wait for later on in the day for that one. Down there. Yeah, we're on the way in now. Woken up, she's had a Red Bull. We can save ours for later then. We're in there, Pro 6.
Row 6, ride 1.
Ride 1, let's go. Ride 1, complete.
Yeah, but the heavens have opened.
The heavens have opened.
And I didn't bring my coat with me.
No, they're in the car. So we're going to try and complete the hour and we'll have to get changed afterwards.
Yeah, luckily we've got spare clothes. So.
We always bring spare clothes. Top tip,
Always.
Bill theme parks.
Definitely.
Nemesis agrees. Right, so we're going to try and get on it again.
Come on then.
We might as well, aren't we? Yeah. First ride though, I must say, that was flying
That was
round.
really fast.
That wakes you up in the morning. Keel and then F, ride 2. Let's go for this. Doing the queue, Ev. What time check will we on?
9:26.
9:26, yeah. So I reckon if we get on this, we can make it across the Runaway Mine Train.
Yeah.
We're not going to do Toxicator, are we? We've already said it's a bit early in the morning for a Sunday for us.
Yeah, it's a bit intense.
Yeah. But if you can do 3 rides, I think that's the 3 that's open. That's fair enough.
Yeah.
But as we said, if you can get those done, especially Totscator as well if you wanted to, you don't really need to come this end of the park till the end of the day for Galactica, do you?
You don't.
So definitely good top tip, isn't it? Right, you ready for another ride? Row 2 for our second rider. Let's go. Oh wow, 2 rides in Nemesis, Ev.
Yeah, that was a wet ride.
That was a bit of a wet ride, wasn't it, to be fair. But not too bad. What time are we on? Time check, Ev?
We are 9:45.
9:45. So we are going to try and head across the runaway mine train, although it might be the runaway rain train in this, to be honest. But yeah, so we're going to see if we can get on it, see if we can complete our 3 rides. Yeah, choo-choo. Unfortunately, Emily isn't up this early, is she?
No, she's got another 10 minutes. She's got lying, hasn't she?
I don't blame her, to be fair. I don't like being up this early on a Sunday morning either. But it'd be nice to see if Curse could be addition to it.
Yeah, that would be really cool.
Just because it's kind of in between Forbidden Valley and Mine Train anyway.
Yeah.
And it's our favourite ride, so of course we want Curse on it, don't we? But right, off to this runaway train. We've made it, Ev.
Yay.
The runaway mine train. We don't often get a chance to go on this, do we?
No, we don't go on it very often, so it's nice for it to be included.
It is for us, isn't it? Because it means we get to do something we wouldn't usually do.
Yeah.
So yeah, right. Choo choo. I'll take that for a cue, will you? Yeah, very good. Right, we might even get 2 laps. Time check, Ev.
9:53 a.m.
I think we've done this. Well, Ev, we did it. The runaway mine train.
That was really fun.
It was really good. I tell you what, the rides this morning are flying now, aren't they?
Yeah, there's no queue, so we're going to go back on it quickly because it is 9:59.
9:59, so we're classing it. It's going to be included. 4 rides in the hour. Not too bad. Well done, Towers. Just 6 over to 10.
Yeah, just 10 a.m.
But like, we're this far into the park already, so
Yeah, exactly.
yeah, we can't not do. There's literally no queue, is there?
No.
We've got to. Should we do one more time? Choo choo. Choo choo complete, Ev.
Yeah.
That was good fun, wasn't
It
it?
was very good fun.
Yeah, can't beat that. Right,
No.
great hour to the day that was.
Yeah.
Well, Ev, our hour is complete. What did you
Yes.
think?
The sun's come out, so that's even better.
Yeah, the rain stopped, so that's good.
But to get on 4 rides, we could have easily got on Toxicator because that opened straight away at the same time as Nemesis. To get 2 rides on Nemesis, 2 rides on Runaway Mine Train, we've not rushed. Yeah, absolutely brilliant.
I think it's a great little perk, especially if you're going to know you're going to have a full day here anyway. Why not have the extra hour?
Yeah, exactly.
Why not? So it's just for the Platinum Pass holders and for hotel guests there, so do check what your pass has got and things like that. But we've enjoyed it. You do need to pre-book as well. That's one more thing. You can find it all details on the Alton Towers website, guys. You know us and facts. We're not the best. But if you like this one, leave a like, subscribe. We'll see you soon. Whoop, whoop. There's one perk of being up this early, Ev.
Yeah, bumping into it.
You get to see Alton Bear.